Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you a super handy tool called ngrok. As you can see in the screen, so it's a game changer. Suppose you are working locally and need to share your site or test webhooks without deploying anything. Then you can use ngrok. So you need to go to the ngrok or you can say grok and then log in. So yesterday I logged in. So if I just click on that, it take me to the dashboard, and now you need to download it from here, or you can search Google to download it separately. Okay, you don't need to log in to download it first, and then you will get a file like this. Okay, and then double click on it. It will open the terminal. Let me zoom it a little bit, and now I need to copy the token and paste it here. As you can see, it's already saved in my configuration because I already installed it. And now I need to copy this domain and use my own URL. So I am using port 3000, and if I just hit enter, then so this happens when you already have a session. So you need to go to over here, maybe in the account or maybe the agent, and this one is active right now 8 minutes ago. So you just need to stop it, stop session. Okay, and now what you need to do, you just need to go there again and just hit enter. Boom. So this is the URL that you need to use. Okay, so I will also show you where you can use it. Okay, so suppose I have a lemon squeezy. I'm using lemon squeezy for payment. For create the payment, I need to test it locally. Am I right? So this is the webhook, and what I need to do, I need to update this one. Okay, to def. Okay, so this one we need to update, and this is my URL API webhook. Okay, so if you are using next.js, then you need to go to the API folder and create an webhook folder, and then add the route.ts file. Okay, and then use the function for lemon squeezy webhook. Okay, so that's how you can use it. I can use this URL to share my projects with someone. Okay, so this is the website. It looks nice. So this is my new project. You guys also explore it. It's repos mail. So if you need any developer mail, you can basically go to the site and then scrape developer mails from repos. Okay, so yeah, there's the project, and I will definitely update about it soon. Hope you guys like the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.